Hello everyone, today I am going to Birmingham City to visit most famous and beautiful temple. From Coventry, we got train to Birmingham City through Aventy West Coast. We reached Sandwell Station. From Sandwell, we took taxi to Temple. This is Sri Venkateshwara Temple. Come, let's see some interesting things about this temple. Sri Venkateshwara Temple, which is one of the largest functioning Hindu temple in Europe. It is dedicated to the Hindu god Vishnu. The temple is located in Tivideli, West Midlands, Birmingham City. The temple opened to the general public in August 2006. The temple was designed with inspiration from the Tirupati Venkateshwara Temple in Andhra Pradesh, India. The primary god worshipped at this temple is Venkateshwara. The main temple also shrines to his consort Padmavati. The temple also shrines to other major Hindu gods: Hanuman, Shiva, Murugan, Vinayagar, Ayyappan, and the Navgraha. This temple also runs the Balaji School for Culture and Education for Children and arranges classes on Veda, music, etc. The temple has a large community hall. The temple also provides free matrimonial service. Facilities include large community center, a gatehouse, and a Gandhi Peace Center. The temple operates Annadhanam services, providing free meals for visitors funded by donations. There are 1,500 visitors during the weekdays and 2,500 visitors in the weekends all across the UK and Europe. this temple supporting the community by welcoming school trips, hosting various cultural events, and teaching sections Sanskrit for young people. Hope you all excited to visit this beautiful temple. Subscribe for more traveling vlogs. Thank you for watching. Bye.